The Caterpillar pickup truck boasts a powerful 6.7-liter V8 engine, delivering up to 500 horsepower. This impressive output makes it an excellent option for heavy-duty tasks, effortlessly meeting demanding requirements. Moreover, the Caterpillar truck's towing capacity competes with the best in the market, excelling in both trailer hauling and off-road excursions. Its advanced braking and stability systems further enhance safety and provide confidence during the handling of heavy loads. Transitioning to the interior, it skillfully blends practicality with elegance, featuring durable materials alongside optional luxurious upgrades. This thoughtful design ensures comfort for both drivers and passengers on long journeys. The fullback presents two engine configurations, offering either 150 or 180 horsepower. This provides exceptional torque, ideal for towing and hauling tasks. Additionally, the fullback includes selectable drive modes, allowing seamless transitions between two-wheel and four-wheel drive. This adaptability significantly enhances efficiency and traction across various terrains, making it a favored choice for off-road enthusiasts. Interior comfort remains a priority in the fullback, offering options for extended or double cabs, along with premium materials. Features cater to both professional needs and leisure activities, ensuring a versatile driving experience. Turning to the Tasman, its lightweight build and aerodynamic design contribute to impressive fuel efficiency, achieving up to 45 miles per gallon on the highway. This efficiency is a significant advantage for cost-conscious drivers. Inside the Tasman, functionality and comfort reign supreme, featuring fold-flat rear seats and modern technology such as wireless charging and an advanced infotainment system, enhancing connectivity on the go. With a starting price of $25,000 and multiple model options, the Kia Tasman presents robust value, coupled with Kia's reputation for reliability and industry-leading warranties. The Frontier distinguishes itself with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. These enhancements bolster safety and instill confidence while navigating urban and highway environments. Affordable pricing starting at $32,000 makes the Frontier accessible to a wide range of buyers, supported by various trims for further customization. This flexibility caters to diverse budgets and personal preferences. Nissan's dedication to reliability is evident in the Frontier's robust design and trusted engine, ensuring it meets the demands of modern drivers. This fusion of heritage and innovation resonates well with a wide consumer base. The Tacoma enhances its appeal with optional off-road packages featuring skid plates and all-terrain tires, catering specifically to outdoor enthusiasts. This versatility allows it to tackle various terrains with ease. Within the Tacoma, the cabin is crafted from durable materials and equipped with advanced technology, including a large touchscreen infotainment system. Higher trims elevate the experience with luxurious features such as leather upholstery and heated seats. In contrast, the 2025 GMC Sierra prioritizes affordability while delivering practicality and functionality for everyday tasks. It uniquely stands out with its multi-pro tailgate, offering versatile configurations. The Maverick features a standard hybrid powertrain that delivers 191 horsepower and achieves an impressive 37 miles per gallon, making it extremely efficient for both city drives and road trips. Equipped with a flex bed system, the Maverick allows for easy customization and organization of gear, accommodating longer items when the tailgate is extended, enhancing its utility. Finally, with advanced safety features like pre-collision assist and adaptive cruise control, the Maverick boosts driver confidence while providing a modern, tech-savvy cabin experience.